In this video, I'm going to discuss the most important questions about enzymes of digestive systems which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1 is enzyme released from lingual glands is lipase, salivary amylase, pepsin, lactase. So correct answer is option A. Lingual lipase is the enzyme that is released from lingual glands. Question number 2. Salivary amylase acts on which substrate? Triglycerides, polysaccharides, protein, lipids. So correct answer is option B. Salivary amylase acts on polysaccharides. So the substrate of salivary amylase is polysaccharides. Question number 3. Proteolytic enzyme pepsin is secreted from parietal cells of stomach, chief cells of stomach, mucous cells of stomach, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Chief cells in the stomach releases enzyme pepsin which starts the digestion of proteins into peptides. Question 4. Enzyme converting trypsinogens into active trypsin is enteropeptidase, chymotrypsin, pepsinogen, peptidase. So correct answer is option A. Enteropeptidase convert the trypsinogen into active trypsin, and this enteropeptidase is released from small intestine. Question 5. Which of the following enzyme is not released from small intestine? Enteropeptidase, pepsin, trypsin, maltase. So correct answer is option B. Pepsin is the enzyme that is not released from the small intestine, rather it is released from stomach. Question 6. Pancreatic acne cells releases which enzyme? Carboxypeptidase, chymotrypsin, trypsin, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three different enzymes, carboxypeptidase as well as chymotrypsin and trypsin, are released from the acne cells of exocrine part of pancreas. Question 7. Hydrochloric acid is released from which cells of stomach? Parietal cells, chief cells, mucous cells, none of these. So correct answer is option A. Parietal cells of stomach releases HCl, which convert the inactive pepsinogen into active pepsin. Question 8. Receptors of cholecystokinin are present on pancreas, stomach, gallbladder, duodenum. So correct answer is option C. Receptors of cholecystokinin are present on gallbladder and it stimulates the secretion of gallbladder into duodenum. Question 9. Cholecystokinin is released from which part of human gut? Stomach, small intestine, pancreas, esophagus. So correct answer is option B. Cholecystokinin is released from the upper cells of small intestine. So correct answer is option B. Question 10. Enzyme acting on sucrose sugar is lactase, sucrase, maltase, amylase. So correct answer is option B. Sucrase is the enzyme that is acting on sucrose sugar. Question 11. Which of the following is a protein digesting enzyme? Pepsin, trypsin, peptidase, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three hormones, trypsin, pepsin as well as peptidase, are protein digesting enzyme. So correct answer is all of these. Question 12. Nucleic acid digesting enzyme nuclease is released in stomach, small intestine, pancreatic juice, bile juice. So correct answer is option B. Nuclease enzyme is released in small intestine while it is produced in pancreatic juice. So correct answer is option B. The release site of nuclease is small intestine. Question 13. Which of the following enzyme have acidic pH? Pepsin, trypsin, amylase, nuclease. So correct answer is option A. Pepsin is the enzyme that is having acidic pH and it is present in stomach. Question 14. Which of the following enzyme have pH equal to 2? Pepsin, trypsin, amylase, lipase. So correct answer is option A. Pepsin is the enzyme that is having smallest pH equal to 2.0. Question 15. Diastase enzyme takes part in the digestion of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids. So correct answer is option B. Diastase enzyme takes part in the digestion of carbohydrates, especially it converts the starch into maltase. It converts starch into maltose. So correct answer is option B. Diastase enzyme takes part in digestion of carbohydrates. तो ये थे 15 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट एंजाइम्स ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम्स विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।